Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on Little Bill Gets Ungrounded. Why? Because I really hate that Ungrounded series with a burning passion. Enjoy the video. Little Bill Gets Ungrounded. What? More like Little Bill Gets Grounded? Oh my gosh! This Ungrounded series sucks so hard! I'm going to explain why that I really hate that Ungrounded series with the burning passion. Number 1. Little Bill is a dork and a spoiled brat. Number 2. Little Bill does not deserve to get ungrounded at all. Number 3. Little Bill is a troublemaker, and there's something worse about this Ungrounded series. This user made Little Bill gets a gold card and gets ungrounded. Little Bill gets a gold card and gets ungrounded? No! More like Little Bill gets in dead meat and gets grounded. This Ungrounded video sucks. And you know who likes this Ungrounded series? Blue Evan. This user likes this Ungrounded series with the burning passion. And do you know who hates this Ungrounded series? Everybody. Everybody hates this Ungrounded series with the burning passion. And I also hate Little Bill Gets Ungrounded too. So screw Little Bill Gets Ungrounded. And screw Bongo Gets Ungrounded. Little Bill Gets Grounded is better than Little Bill Gets Ungrounded. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel,